Zainab didn't have a fancy resume. She had no job, no design experience, no followers, no budget for ads. But she had two powerful tools, curiosity and free AI tools. And with just that, she made her first $100 online in 14 days. Let me walk you through how she did it step by step. Zainab had never opened Canva before. No Photoshop, no graphic design classes, nothing. So what did she do? She opened ChatGPT and asked, give me 50 journaling prompts for emotional wellness. She grouped them into 5 themes: morning intentions, evening reflections, gratitude, stress relief, goal planning. Then she used Canva's free templates to create a soft printable journal layout. Just drag, drop, and write. Her problem was no design skills. Solution was Canva plus AI content. She didn't guess, she researched. She searched Etsy for real buyer terms like gratitude journal printable, ADHD planner PDF, self-care worksheet. She noticed a pattern. Most journals under $10, simple in design, focus on helping people feel better. So she created daily self-care journal plus bonus AI prompts. Simple, emotional, useful. Her problem was she wasn't a salesperson, but she asked ChatGPT to help her write her listing. Her final product description focused on how it builds emotional awareness. What exactly you get? 12 pages, printable, instant download, no waiting. She added clear images, journal cover, page previews, how to use mockups, bonus pack teaser. Price just $6.49, no fluff, just value. Problem: no TikTok, no influencers, no paid ads. Zainab promoted using only free tools. Pinterest, she designed a branded pin in Canva, posted it, 70 impressions, 6 clicks. Reddit, she shared her story, no links, 8 people messaged her asking for it, most bought. Facebook groups, she joined journaling and planner communities. Shared inside promo threads. Etsy SEO, because of her keywords, Etsy's algorithm picked it up too. Half her sales came just from Etsy search. Problem: after 14 days, 417 views, 17 sales, $102 in revenue, 4% conversion rate, and she did it with zero outside traffic tools. Zainab's wisdom: simple sells. People want help, not perfection. AI is a co-pilot, not a sheet code. Bonuses boost value. Her AI prompt pack stood out. You don't need followers, you need relevance. Track early. She used Notion to watch what worked. Clarity beats complexity. Relevance is bigger than reach. Insights from day one. She's not stopping, she's evolving. Zainab's planning 3 new products: a kids emotional tracker, couples communication workbook, an ADHD friendly planner. Same playbook. ChatGPT for prompts, Canva for layouts, Etsy for sales. Zainab's first $100 didn't change her life, but it changed her mindset. She stopped waiting, she started solving. With no experience, no design background, just action. And if she did it, so can you. You don't need permission to create value, just a problem worth solving. Want to build something like this? DM me support and I'll send you a link to book a free consultation. Let's help you create your own opportunity. Future career, free tools, real stories, career action.